Hello children, welcome to Advocate Bapusaheb Bonde High School, Lonavla. Standard 1, Subject EVS, representing teacher Hina Shinde. Children, yesterday we have learned chapter number 17, that is Safety First, page number 56. Children, today we are going to take reading of the same chapter. So, let's start. Chapter number 17, Safety First. In cities and towns, the roads are very busy with traffic. Children, we know all the roads are busy with traffic in cities and towns. There is lots of crowd on the road. So, we have to follow certain rules to be safe while walking on the road or crossing the road. While on the road, we should follow safety rules. Children, let's see what are safety rules. First point is, remember to walk only on the footpath. See, you can see in this picture, they are walking on the footpath. You should always use footpath for walking. The second point is, cross a road only at a zebra crossing. You should use a zebra crossing while crossing the road. Number 3 is, cross the road when the pedestrian light turns green. Children, we all know that when the pedestrian light turns green, we should cross the road. And the last point is, if there is no zebra crossing, look to your right, then to your left, and again to your right. Then cross carefully. Children, always remember, if there is no zebra crossing, you should cross the road by looking to your right first, then to your left, and again to your right, and then cross the road carefully. There are some more safety rules. Let's see what are they. We must remember that it is not safe. So children, these are the points that we should remember which is not safe for us. To get in or get down from a moving bus. To stand on the footboard of a bus. To keep our head or hand out of a moving vehicle. To play on the road and near open drains. To throw litter on the road as someone may slip and fall. So children, these are the points which we should remember that is not safe for us. Let's see the exercises. The first is, answer the following questions. The first question is it safe to play on the roads? So children, the answer is no, it is not safe to play on the roads. Question number 2, where should you cross the road? The answer is, you should cross the road only at a zebra crossing? Question number 3 is, what can happen if you throw a banana skin on the road? The answer is, if you throw banana skin on the road, someone may slip and fall. So children, these are the 3 question answers. You have to solve it in your textbook. Question number 2. Tick right the correct and the wrong sentences. We should travel on the footboard of a bus. So children, this is a wrong sentence. So we have to put wrong tick mark over here. We should not stand on the footboard of a bus. The second is, we should keep our head out of a moving vehicle. It is a wrong sentence. We should not keep our head out of a moving vehicle. So we have to put cross sign in the box. And the last is, we should cross the road at the zebra crossing. It is a right statement. We should always cross the road at the zebra crossing. So you have to put right tick mark in the box. Children, I hope you all have understood. Please practice reading at home and solve the assignment in your textbooks. Thank you. Have a nice day.